Do you want to make a pro-looking gaming intro in just minutes? I'll show you how to create an 8-second cinematic intro using Veo3. No editing skill required. Let's go. First and foremost, I don't gatekeep, I open gates. So here are the access on how to do it. What you need to do is go in ChatGPT, and where this dialog box that say ask anything, you want to create a prompt. And I've already done it, so I'm going to walk you guys through it. So what I wrote was, create an 8-second cinematic gaming intro video. Now the type of intro video, outro video, or be right back video that you want for your streaming is pretty much up to you. Then what you want to do is create how your character look by prompting it. So I want my character to be a ninja male with claymore style. The type of style that you would want for your character can be any range from like animation, like Dragon Ball Z, Boondock style, Toy Story. I don't know, whatever you have in mind or whatever your heart desire. Just go from there. Now you want to give it a call to action. I put, he will open the door to his gaming room. His room is a gamer type style. Now what you want to do is describe your environment so ChatGPT can get an idea of how you want your video to look. So, okay. After that, I put he would sit on his gaming chair and put on his headphone, listening and nodding to the music. And then simple with neon lights behind monitor above the wall to read, inspire. After you do that, you're gonna press after you create your prompt, press enter, and this is what's gonna happen. ChatGPT is gonna create a video script for you. Now what you want to do is copy that, right? Copy this video script. Boom. Wait. All right, I like doing from the bottom up. There you go. Copy. Boom. Then you want to go Google Gemini. Now, there's two versions. There's a free version, and then there's a paid version, the pro version. This is the pro version, but I have a trial version on for 1 month. Everybody could do it. So a lot of people that signed up, they signed up for the regular version, and it doesn't have the video tab right here where you have to click on it to create your text to video, which is what we're going to do right now. So make sure when you guys sign up on Gemini AI, make sure you click on the Gemini AI Pro, not the regular one. And then you could end the subscription within 20 days or whatever, right? Now paste our link there, and then just let AI do a trick. Now, I'm not going to fast forward this video. I'm not going to like chop it real quick, so and we're going to sit here and kick back and see how long it's going to take for, you know, Gemini Veo3 to make this text to video based on our prompt. Oh, if you guys haven't read it, please follow me on Twitch. I do live stream gaming. All my content is the same name, Inspire, ENDSPYRE. I'm just trying to make it, man. But yeah, and for this channel, my YouTube channel, I'm going to create a lot of helpful tutorial. I'm going to add no gatekeeping. Like I said earlier, I open gates and give you all the access. I want everybody to win, and I want to win, so we all can win. Okay? Usually it takes, I don't think it takes longer than 5 minutes. It takes like 2-3 minutes max. But we'll see. Now this is in real time right now. Boom. Oh, I speak too soon. When it says show thinking, that's when you know it's done. All you gotta do is scroll down. This is gonna be our footage. Our footage right here. Here you go, Ninja. Sitting down this computer, putting on this headpiece on. There you go. Not bad, right? And that was just a simple prompt. So wait, let me download real quick. Here. Make it a little bigger so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see this. Not bad, right? Wait, let me do this. Here you go. Let me run it back real quick. So let me stretch it out. Boom. Here's what we just did. Not bad, right? Pretty cool. I hope you guys like this video, this quick tutorial. I mean, it could have been better if we add more prompt. But yeah, you guys have a blessed one. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video so everybody can learn how to do it. I see a lot of people charge money for this, but don't pay anybody. It's free. You can just do it yourself. Until then, guys, have a blessed day, and I hope all your dreams come true. One love, y'all. Peace.